Hello, beautiful lovelies, and welcome back to Happy Hillary's Nails. This is Hillary, and today I have some nail mail. This comes from the lovely Tara of Lynn Nails _81. She sent me some goodies, so I thought I would share them with you. So let's open them together. So first right off the bat, we've got some stickers, some cute kitties, and a cowgirl hat, and then we've got some yummy high chews. Yum, yum. Awesome. Tara, thank you so much. This is so beautiful. I'll move this up here, and we will check out what we got. Oh my goodness, this is packed to the brim. Well, right off the bat, we'll open these. These look like nail charms, and these are gold and silver, and you can see those are hearts. We've got some egg shapes and some diamonds, so all different shapes and sizes. Close that up so I don't dump them out on accident. Oh, those are beautiful. Awesome. Oh my goodness. And then here we've got, this is Potch It. I'm not sure how to say the name, and you can't see it on camera, I don't think. But these are some gorgeous star glitters. So pretty. I can definitely use these. And then looks like we've got some chromes here. We've got a red, a gold, a silver, a black, a purple, and a green. Hold those against the light a little better so you can see. Those are so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. Oh my goodness. And then here, a cuticle oil pen. Can never have enough cuticle oil pens. This one is jasmine scented. Oh, it's so pretty. It's pink. I've never had a pink one before. All the cuticle oil pens I have are just clear ones, and I love pink, so that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to use that. And then we've got a body butter for cucumber. So I can always use this for my hands and after the shower. Lovely. Beautiful. Oh, a nail art brush. Ooh, how pretty. It's pink. I love pink. I love pink. If I didn't say that already, I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. And that is a gorgeous brush. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, that's going to be great for doing nail art or for doing cleanup. I haven't decided yet, but either one. And then it has the lid to it inside the packaging as well. Here we have, what is this? I know what this is. This is like foil, and it's pink metallic foil. And you would use this in little tiny pieces on the nail, I think. I've never played with this before, but I'm very excited to. Like I said, I love pink, and this is super pink. How fun is that? Here we have another stack of glitters. This one I'm going to open up so we can see a little bit better. These are so cute. Oh, there's a little stack. How adorable is that? And we've got orange, yellow, green, pink, blue, and purple. Those are so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. I don't get to play with this kind of stuff enough. I do a lot of stamping, and I really want to start using more glitters and charms and stuff like that with my nail art. So I'm super excited. Oh, yay. Oh, my daughter's gonna be so jealous. She wanted some of these for when she was doing chrome, and now I have a whole bunch. Woohoo. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at these. They're like for Halloween, little charms. There's pumpkins and bats and ghosts and eyeballs and little Frankensteins. Oh, I cannot wait. A little spider web. I cannot wait. Little ghosties. I cannot wait to start making nail art for Halloween. I'm so excited. Halloween's like my favorite holiday. I always do 31 days of Halloween nails. Here we have some gorgeous moon and heart and stars and circles, little stickers to put on the nails. These are gorgeous. How shiny they are. So pretty. Ooh, oh my goodness. Look at these swirls. They're like rainbow ombre. Those are so cool. Oh my gosh, Tara, you went way above and beyond. This is so beautiful. These are, oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then these are stencil stickers. It's hard to read what they say, but these are just different like little designs. So cute. And then, ooh, I don't know what this is. I'll have to reach out to Tara and see what she says. But these are, I don't know if these are go on the nails. They're little iridescent shapes. I'm trying to hold it so you can see it on my hand. So hopefully you can see that. They're little iridescent shapes, and I'm assuming they go on the nail. And then they get covered up with a top coat. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. I'm so silly. Because there's the hearts there at the bottom you can see. Beautiful. And what's this? Oh my goodness. A strawberry shortcake, vanilla cake, and juicy strawberry Hemp's body moisturizer. This is amazing. I love Hemp's. I love their lotions. This is awesome. That's going right next to me on my nail shelf. And then here we have some more charms. I want to open this, but I don't at the same time because I don't have anything to put them in. But just so you can see them, there's a whole bunch of different charms in here. There's a little butterfly right there and some cherries, it looks like. How cool is that? Some leaves. Oh, I'm so excited to play with those. Oh, and some more glitter. This is a beautiful blue glitter. How pretty is that? Gotta love a good nail file. I have tons of these, but you can always use more. So this is awesome. Love this. It's a 100/180 grit Beauty Secrets nail file. And then over here we have some more little glitters. You can see there's some smiley faces and a little mustache. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love these. How adorable is that? And then here we have, ooh, I'm so excited. What is in here? This is a gorgeous, let's see, this is From the Nail, is what this says on the bottle, From the Nail. And here is the cabochon on top. It looks like this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. And I assume this is a gel that is so pretty. It is this beautiful glittery blue polish. It's just FG13. Absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. This is a glow-in-the-dark orchid from She Modern. This is a glitter or a chrome. It's a glow-in-the-dark pigment. It's just a glow-in-the-dark pigment. So you would spray this. It has like a little cap where you can kind of squirt it on. And then I assume buff it in. And that's why she gave me all the little buffers. And I see another one in here. This is metallic chrome. And this is jade. That is stunning. And these are both from She Modern. Wow, Tara, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, look at all the glitters. They're so pretty. Maybe if I turn them over, you can see them easier. Oh, this one's very Christmassy. This is so pretty. Some of these kind of are like blue and yellow. That's like U of M colors right there. Here's another Christmassy one right here. This one looks like a jackpot Las Vegas with the gold and red. These are stunning. Wow. Thank you so, so much. These are so beautiful. Let's see what else we have here. Oh my goodness. This is Neon Red Air Dry Stamping Opaque Sticky. This is from She Modern also, and it's a sticky stamping polish in neon red. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the color on that. It is so pretty. I have a couple of theirs. I have a black, a white, and now this one. So, and then I have their clear also. So this is beautiful. And what is this? Another thing from She Modern. Ooh, not clear non-stick matte chrome resist. So I will watch a video. I've used this before, I think, but it's been a long time. So I'm excited to be able to play with it again. And I will have to watch a video to see how to use this, but I cannot wait to try this out with the chromes that she sent me. Here we have, oh, Blanc Blanc Professional Nail Gel brand. This one is, let's see here, taped shut. So let's see if I can open it. It says to rip there. I hate to do that, but. Oh, look at this. That is beautiful. 4 silver mag, and I'm going to guess that that means it's a silver magnetic. I don't know for sure, but this is, it looks so stunning. Look at that. It's beautiful. Let's see if I get a magnet. And I bring this up here. Oh, yes. Look at that. That's so fun. I love magnetics. That's gorgeous. Wow. That's so pretty. All right. So that's another gel, and that's magnetic. And then here I have, this is Maniology M012. Very cool. Love this plate with the stars on it and the different shapes. How pretty is that? And last but not least, ooh, put that all back in there before the box tips over. We have Fringe Forever. Oop, let me see if I can get this open. Okay, got it open. And then let's see what's inside here. Oh, wow. Look at this plate. This is so pretty. I'm going to take the film off of this one, so you can see it a little bit better. Look at the designs on that. Those are so beautiful. Wow, how pretty. Oh, that's stunning. I don't have this plate, so I am excited to get to play with this. And then, of course, there's a little stamping guide and a scraper and a stamper. Ooh. Love these little ice cube stampers. They're so nice to work with. This is hard to get out of here. Man, they really do make sure that this ain't going anywhere. All right, there is, and the polish matches the construction paper confetti stuff. That's so cool. That is such a pretty color. I don't know what color that is. It's just a lavender. It doesn't say on the package, I don't think. Nope, it doesn't. But that's beautiful. What a beautiful color that is. So these are all the goodies I got. Heavens to Betsy, Tara, you outdid yourself. This is so amazing. Thank you so much for all of this amazing, gorgeous nail stuff I get to play with now and have fun with. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't already, make sure to go follow Tara at linnails_81. I will make sure to link her in the description box. And, you know, just have an amazing day. Have fun with your nail stuff. Enjoy playing around with all your nail goodies. And I hope you have a good one. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.